Hi, I chose edweb.net as my last artifact. It is a social networking site that allows educators to connect with one another to share ideas. You do have to be 18 years old to join. So the first thing I did was I clicked up here to join EdWeb. But since I am a member, I can log in. When you do uh, um, sign on or log on for the first time, it'll ask for a an email address and a password. And it was really simple to do by just following the on-screen instructions. And then it'll ask you to fill out a survey with questions like your role in your school, the area you teach in or areas of interest you have, and the grade level, and things like that. And they'll use that information to um, recommend groups for you to join. They call them communities. So it's actually really simple and kind of neat to do. So when you log in, it'll take you to this page, which is my home page. And from here, you can kind of personalize it by here you have my settings, or there are also a lot of options. The same set options for settings are along here. But here is where I was able to upload my picture, and you can see that, all the personal information is here, changing your password, things like that. So, and then I was kind of playing around with it, and what I found was if you click up here to my colleagues, you can invite people to join, and over here as well to invite colleagues. I don't have any colleagues yet on here, but this is where they would be. My communities are like the groups that I wanted to join. These are a few that I found that are kind of fun. We can just click on one of the groups, and then here it'll take you to kind of what the most recent posts that they've had on the group. And they'll post videos or like articles or discussions here relating to their community. And I found those communities by clicking here on Browse Communities. And you can either search by entering a keyword about a topic of interest, or what I did actually was I kind of just looked through here with the most popular communities, and I found a few that were kind of interesting. Like this one, the game-based learning. You can look at what is going on there. And if you want, you can simply click to join the community. And it's taking a minute, but it'll should join. There we go. Okay, so then I joined this community, and then I'll get all the notifications on my homepage and stuff when they post something new. And then there's also ed webinars or webinars to view, which I thought was kind of cool. Here again, you can search for them. I thought schools could use this as like continuing ed for their teachers. And you can either search by a keyword or kind of look at the ones that were the most recent. They're all here by date, but a lot of them actually look pretty interesting. So that's pretty much what I found about this site. I think once I'm actually working as a teacher, I would come back to this a lot more. It just looks like a really good resource to share information and to connect with other teachers, get some ideas, and even share ideas by creating over here, like to create a blog. And you can store websites and other posts that you've found. You can kind of keep them over here in your toolbox. So thanks for watching this quick overview of edweb.net.